Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add product to collection. So simply what you need to do, just open your Shopify account. I have already added product to my collections. So simply here you can see the product list. So what we need to do, just here you can see collections, laptops, MacBook, homepage. Here are my collections. So I simply open the laptops here. So here you can see this is my collection. So I want to add the product here. So simply what we need to do, you can see on the downside here I have added two products. So simply you can also add the product, like here simply click on the MacBook and here go to collections, and now here type the laptops. So when you select this, it will be added into laptop selection. So finally here you can see in the collections option, now open the laptops, and now here you can see MacBook as it added here. So in this way you can add product to collection.